So Alex came up to help me set up my RV. One day we got pizza. So good. Anyway, so I was really troubled about the roof for some reason, which the roof is actually fine. Alex was saying it was fine. I was just kind of nervous because the roof was so crunchy, and I guess from the previous leak that it had, the roof is very crunchy, but it's not like moist in any way. Like, it was fixed. So, I was scared that it would like seep through the top, but he was nervous, like, oh, that it would come in the sides, like where the vents are and stuff. But once he got to looking at it, he realized that, oh, it actually was fine. And so then he just went around and did the other seams. And I worked one day. This was actually a little process, couple weeks worth of time had passed during this, and I was getting used to having a stove, which is amazing, which I had a stove before, but like I don't have to set it up each time I want to use it, and that's so amazing. And then I realized, like, I need more storage. Like, I need to get a bin or something like that. So I went to Walmart, and I'm really excited about getting the insides the way I want it to look, and like cleaning it the way I want it to be clean, because right now I'm sitting on the original cushions, and that's just kind of a little gross to me because they are not cleaned, and they're almost not cleanable because there's like rips in them. That's like why I need to make new covers for them. Anyway, but and I was looking at some paint too. I actually bought a little bit of paint, but I'll probably make another video of me like doing the interior of it. But also last week, oh, and then this was me the first time I slept in the loft. Anyway, pretty cool. But in my other video, I had mentioned something about the gas, and you could smell the gas, and I had the gas inside the RV at that point. Like, there was a cubby outside of the inside of the RV, if that makes sense. And so I think that, well, I mean, we put it outside and it'll be fine. And like looking at everyone else's RVs, like everyone has their gas tank outside. So maybe I just was doing that wrong to begin with, but I'm still alive. Anyway, I'm still like stuck on some of these clips are me just like trying to like do the inside of my RV really quick, because I want to feel like, because at this point I still hadn't done I had a lot of the stuff still in my car. And but anyway, so new issues kind of arose. So like I'm not using the water or the sewer right now because I need to level my RV, and it's going to get cold, so I need to level, because before I use the water and that stuff, I want to skirt the bottom or do like some type of insulation deal. But before I can do that, we have to level it. And the problem is the vehicle won't start. All of a sudden, it just like wouldn't start. We couldn't figure out what it was. We finally realized that it was a fuse. A fuse kept blowing when we started it because of some reason. So we got more fuses and it started, but then it didn't start. And then basically we started to use up all the fuses. But then I think Alex said he found it. And in this video, he like was like, oh yeah, you need to, I don't know. I think just like a lot of the stuff had been loose before. And so I think everything just kind of needed tightened up and jiggled around, or I don't even know, but it's starting now. And I don't know, I need to get more fuses because I don't really trust that fuse. I won't have extra. Anyway, oh, also another issue, like I'm very thankful for, like, I'm thankful because like originally the guy that sold it to me said that the fridge didn't work, but actually it does work, but it consistently freezes everything. Like right now I wanted to make 2 eggs for breakfast, but I had to make 1, which doesn't make any sense to me that 1 egg would be frozen and the other egg wouldn't. But like, okay. There was a pine cone in the engine. And he found it and got it for me, and then he was like, why are you filming? Oh. Stink bugs.
Yeah, they've crawled into like every crevice in this thing.
Oh.
I did find your igniter assembly plug was loose. It is very possible that was it.
Really? You're so smart. Friday, it is raining. Everything is fine. It's really cozy and peaceful. Oh, you know, it might need gas now, but hey, it didn't blow. What happened?
Maybe it was just those loose things.
It worked. It totally
I guess
worked.
so, yeah. Now just add a little gas to the carburetor. Yeah.
Yes!
Oh, man. Oh, this one feels heavier.
So also I would like to say that he did like most of all the hard work, but I offered help. I held the flashlight when he needed a flashlight, and so I did some stuff. I helped. I did help. But that's it for this week, and thank you for all of my new subscribers. It was so fun watching the views go up and getting more subscribers. It was so exciting, and comments, and yeah. But yeah, stay tuned for more.